She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and hers the bands, girl. She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. For today's recipe, I'm going to make some tasty homemade meatball subs. Now, this can be substituted many ways as far as the sauce and the meatball, but for today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make everything homemade. So if you're ready for this tasty sub recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new recipe video. So let's go ahead and get started.
That's big.
Meatball.
The extra peppers and onions on there making it even better.
God.
Okay, I go.
We got some sesame cheese buns.
There's provolone cheese under there.
There's provolone cheese on the bottom. And then Parmesan cheese on top. Alright guys, as you can see, I just went ahead and paired my meatball sub with some sweet potato french fries. Those were some pretty nice sized meatballs. You can make them smaller if you want, but in this case, I just wanted to make sure that there was a meatball in every single bite of that sandwich, which it was. All the flavors were delicious with the homemade sauce. Definitely give this a try, guys. You certainly will not be disappointed. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new recipe. You guys take care and thanks for watching.